Just kidding, no, it's just part of our show. They're doing part of running, but who wants to take a picture with you? Just follow our trainer's instruction. Now make a lovely pose and smile or morning bird. Yeah. We usually like that out, but before you go up your seat, please follow our photographer and we'll be giving you a printed copy of your picture for free. So round of applause for both here and our morning bird, Lil. Now this time, I'm going to introduce you to our parrots. Now here is Ocean Park. We have 4 different kinds of parrots. We have a great wing method, our blue gold Mongoli, our blue wing parrot wing Yoshi, and our eclectic parrot wing Brahmo. Now before we go in our words, before trainers at first will come over you, please do not try to reach or grab the feathers or the birds, because these birds can get easily frightened and it can bite you again. Please do not try to reach or grab the feathers or the birds. Okay, let's go then. Landed, Goldie, Yoshi, and Robo. Okay, let's wait for our words. Okay, first up, the trainer Jesse is our blue gold Mongoli. Which trainer is our golden parrot wing Yoshi, and our trainer Murray is our eclectic parrot wing Robo. Okay, first up is our blue and gold Mongoli. Now hold it right there as we push it of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow on its belly. Its eyes and lips are swollen black. Now here is Ocean Park with 3 blue and gold macaw. Earlier in the last game, we have blue and azul, and gold here we cover our second leader. And our next trainer, Christy, is our green wing macaw blended. The body blend here has a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow on its belly. Its eyes and lips. But it there has a white baby face, striped with small red feathers. But its baby face is a raptor. Raptors. So say hi to everyone out there. Say hi. How about others like others say hello? And our next trainer, Irving, is our blue wing parrot named Yoshi. Now Yoshi